We are here with running the levels, looking for a market structure and patterns. Okay, guys, let's walk down the time frame, patterns in the market, find patterns in the market. Start with this low here. We can work our way up. Start with the high. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is market highest high is here. Market lowest low down here. Clearly see we got the midpoint, the middle. Take a look at what's going on in the market. Starting off with the high. With the high of this area, so let's figure out what happened. So we seem like we got some type of push up to the high. So we got one spike up, market came back down. Market spiked up a second time, came back down. Market spiked up a third time, came back down. So it's a pattern here. It's a triple top. Market pushed up 3 times. So try to push up to the highs 3 times, but you can see the 3 spike up to the high. Put an area of resistance here. You can see the market pushed once, broke through, touched the second time. Was able to make a third time, so you can see that decline that's dropping that market down. But once we got the 3 pushes to the top, 1, 2, 3, got the triple top. After came a retest. So it's the retest right here. Market pushed down once. Let's do that one more time. So we got that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. Market pushed down once. Market pushed down twice. Market pushed down 3 times. Market pushed down 4. Overall cap. Market fully exhausted itself with 4 pushes to the bottom. Okay, so let's read the market and see what happened here. So when you start seeing these areas, these dojis, these spikes, majority of the times that's showing that the market, what it did was it lost. The market pushed all the way back down to this into this wick. Wasn't able to close out. Market pushed back up. So that's basically a leg. So it's a strong area of stability showing that the market going to shoot up. So on this time frame, we did get an engulfing pattern. Okay, so we got the engulfing pattern that happened. So the market was going to shoot up higher, but we can see that the only thing the market did was it did engulf the previous area of resistance here. You can see that it broke out of my resistance line, my red line here, came back to retest, and the idea was for it to go up, but that did not happen. The market happened to do some type of pattern here, which is a double top and a retest. Then market pushed down once, market pushed down twice, market pushed down 3, market pushed down 4. So you can see that it wasn't pushing down, market came back for the incline, but so what the market did was basically just consolidated. So when you start getting more than 3 to 4 pushes, it's an area of consolidation. It's got to identify the full market. So we can see that market went back for that decline. So what pattern is it overall? It's an overall double top with a retest. So this is the first leg, this is the second leg, this is the third leg. Market came down for that fourth. Retest is at this candle, okay? Market pushed down once, market pushed down twice, market pushed down 3 times, market pushed down 4. Overall cap, so market's at that low again. And once the market's at the low, you can see if you could find a pattern. So there's a pattern in here, so which is a W. So you can see that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Retest at this area here. Market pushed up once, came back down. Market pushed up twice, came back down. Market pushed up 3 times, came back down. And we got a complete drop. So average is 3. So we can see that something happened in that area here. So it wasn't actually going up further. It was working it went up by 1 or 2 pushes and started working its way down for the other 2 pushes. So what happened? So it had to be some type of area consolidation. So that means that some type of pattern formed itself in here. See if we can find it. So reading it from this angle here, market pushed up once, came back down, market pushed up twice, came back down. So we got a double top. If you want to add this one, it'll be a triple top. Let's say let's go with this because it's at the area highs. Double top. We got a retest. at this candle here. Market pushed back up, retest this area here. Market pushed down once, retest. Market pushed down twice, retest. Market pushed down 3 times, retest. That's average. Okay, average 3 pushes. So we already know that's exhausting itself. 4 is exhaustion. 3 is average. So it could have been a chance the market pushed down 4 times, but that didn't happen. So what happened? We're gonna see if some type of pattern form. The only pattern I see here is a single bottom. So all we have is just a spike down to the low, the market pushed back up. Okay, so that's a single bottom, area of support. You can see the area of resistance here. Okay, then after that, we got the single bottom, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Well, first, second, third, fourth, retest, market pushed up once, retest, market pushed up twice, retest, and we can see the market working its way down. And that's like 4 pushes, so the market consolidated once again. Okay, as it's consolidating, you can clearly see that market's working its way up for an incline. They did a whole lot of retests in these areas here for that market to push back up to the high. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX running the levels. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. MKR, USD, crypto.